Krishna, I am Naval Sundari Devi Dasi, student Bhakti Vedanta, Module 2. I am going to recite some shlokas from Canto 10. Shloka number 1, 10.1.4. Hare Krishna. Nirvratre tasir upagrimanat bhova shichasha shotra manobhirmat ka uttam shloka gunanuvanta pumam vrijeta vina pashugat. Glorification of the Supreme Personality of Godhead should be done in a bona fide manner, in a parampara way, that is conveyed from spiritual master to the disciple. Such glorification is relished by those who are no longer interested in the false temporary glorification of the cosmic manifestation. Or this is the right medicine for the conditioned souls who are living in this material world and undergoing repeated birth and death. Therefore, who will cease hearing such glorification of the Lord except a Bacha or one who is killing his own self? Shloka number 2, 10.1.13. Nesha de dusaha shudma takte ugdo namapi badate pibantam twain mukham bhojam achutam Hari Kathamritam. Parikshit Maharaj says that because my woe on the verge of death, I have given up even drinking water, because I am hearing the nectar of the Hari Katha from the lotus mouth of Shukdev Goswami. Because of this, my hunger and my thirst, which is extremely difficult to bear, cannot hinder me or is not disturbing me. Now the shloka number 3, 10.1.16. Vasudeva katha prashansa puranmastrim pandit punatihi vaktaram prashanchakam shotram tatpad salilam yatha. The Ganges emanating from the toes of Lord Vishnu purifies the three worlds, the upper, middle and the lower planetary system. Similarly, when one asks questions about the pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Vasudeva Krishna, three varieties of men are purified: the speaker, the listener and the one who asks the questions. Shloka number 4, 10.1.38. Ki dukham सहन साधूनां विदुषा किम अपेक्षितं किम अकार्यं कदार्वणा दुसतजे की grataatmanam. What is painful for saintly persons who strictly adhere to the truth? How could there be independence for pure devotees who knows the Supreme Lord on the substance? What deeds are forbidden for persons of the lowest character, and what cannot be given up to the sake of Lord Krishna by those who have fully surrendered to his lotus feet. Now, shloka number 5, 10.2.26. Satya vratam satya param tri satyam satya se vranam nihitam ka satya सत्य से सत्यात्रिता सत्य नेत्रम सत्यम कम त्वम शरणम प्रपन्नम. The demigods prayed to the Supreme Lord that you never deviate from your vows, which is always perfect, because whatever you decide is perfectly correct and cannot be stopped by anyone. Being present in the three phases of cosmic manifestations, creation, maintenance and annihilation, you are the supreme truth. Indeed, unless one is completely truthful, one cannot achieve your favor, which therefore cannot be achieved by the hypocrites. As you are the active principle for the real truth in all the ingredients of the creation, therefore you are known as Antaryami, who knows everything inside out. You are equal to everyone and your instructions apply for everyone. For any time, you are the beginning of the truth. Therefore, offering our obeisances, we surrender unto you. Kindly give us protection. Hare Krishna.